Hi, my name is John, the founder of Precision Growth Partners, and today I'm going to be reverse engineering a wealth management firm that's managed to scale their practice to over $500 million. I'm going to be looking under the hood, looking at their financials and their analytics, as well as looking at a couple of opportunities that they might be missing out on and pointing out some of the things that they're already doing extremely well. Today, we're going to be looking at Alliance Wealth Advisors. They're a firm based out of Centerville, Utah. And off the bat, their homepage looks great. Their website is clean, simple, and shows a hero video that shows their team, shows their office, adds some personality to their firm and the people behind the actual organization. As you scroll down, they have lots of different resources. It seems like they have a content engine, which I'll get into more later. They also provide some insights and resources. If we click in deeper, what's really great is this is all custom content that was created. It's not AI generated from what it seems like off the bat, which is really good to know, especially in 2026. So they're putting out their perspective. And now let's look into their actual financials and their data. And so over here, over the past 3 years, you can see that their overall AUM growth is nearly 50%. In 2024, it was around 370 million, and now they're over 550 million AUM. On top of that, you'll notice that the high net worth portion of their AUM is also steadily increasing, which indicates a very healthy balance between their overall book and their high net worth concentration. Likely their referral networks are very strong, their current clients are very happy, and they might even have some centers of influence to really impact that high net worth community. And it seems like the market is already showcasing that they resonate with Alliance Wealth Advisors. The other aspect I want to point out here is the average AUM per advisor. In terms of capacity and operational efficiency, generally a healthy firm from what I've seen is around that 90 to 150 mil per advisor. Given that they're growing and they're lower than that threshold, that really indicates that they're likely having some really strong operational efficiencies and their advisors aren't near their full capacity, which means they can take on more clients. From what I saw, it seemed like they have a core team of 7 advisors. So overall, really great numbers, lots of great health and good indicators that show that they are doing well and are poised and positioned to continue to do well. Shifting gears to their content engine, I'm going to their YouTube channel. As you can see here, they have Alliance Wealth Advisors with 56 videos, only 79 subscribers, but I usually encourage advisors not to emphasize the number of subscribers too much just yet. The real quality and the real power here is evergreen content. Yes, you might be starting off slow, but everyone starts off slow. And consistency is really where you're going to win, where this content compounds. And so it looks like they're hitting a really healthy monthly cadence of a 30-minute episode through their Market Minute series. The biggest opportunity that I see for Alliance Wealth Advisors here is they are already doing the hardest part, which is consistently recording content. Now it's a matter of how do you get the distribution? The biggest thing here would be taking this 30-minute, breaking it up into multiple short form pieces of content, and then posting those across different platforms. That's probably going to be one of the biggest unlocks for Alliance Wealth Advisors here. The last thing I always like to look at for firms is what is their actual Google search results. So if I search up Alliance Wealth Advisors, they pop up. I had to put in the state. And again, they're based out of Centerville, Utah. They have their Google business profile, which is fantastic. But another area of opportunity is this, the number of reviews. They only have 1 Google review, which is great. That's more than most, to be honest. But increasingly for answer engine optimizations on AI search engines, as well as just Google in general, the more reviews you have, the higher likelihood you have to increase your ranking on all of these search platforms. So it's very clear based off of the data that Alliance Wealth Advisors are providing a very great, robust service for their clients, whether you be high net worth clients or not. And so asking that current clientele to leave a review on Google will do a lot for them in terms of their digital footprint and how they're ranking and searched up on various platforms. So there you have it. That's a full breakdown on Alliance Wealth advisors and a practice that's managed to scale their practice to over $500 million. If you yourself are an operator or an independent RIA and you want this breakdown for your own firm, feel free to book a call in the description and we'll have a 15-minute discovery call looking at your digital footprint and the potential bottlenecks that your firm might be facing. Now, if you like this content and you want to see more teardowns, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what firm I should be looking at next. Thank you and see you on the next one.